Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Box content and retention policies easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Box content, log in to your Box account. Navigate to the main dashboard where your files and folders are displayed. Identify the specific files or folders you wish to backup. Select the items by clicking the checkbox next to each file or folder. Once your selections are made, locate the More Options button. Click on More Options to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, choose the Download option to save your content. The files will be compressed into a zip file for easy downloading. Confirm the download process in your browser, and wait for the zip file to finish downloading. After the download is complete, locate the file in your computer's designated Downloads folder. Next, extract the contents of the zip file using your computer's file management system. Now, let's look at setting retention policies. Return to your Box dashboard and click on the Admin console if you have admin privileges. In the Admin console, navigate to the Settings section. Look for the Retention Policies tab on the left sidebar. Click on Retention Policies to view your existing policies or create new ones. To create a new policy, click the Create Retention Policy button. Define the policy name and description to keep your records organized. Specify the rules for the retention policy, including the duration and conditions. Save the policy once all the parameters are set. Review your new retention policy to ensure it aligns with your organization's needs. You have successfully backed up your Box content and configured retention policies. This process ensures your data remains secure and compliant. Regularly review both your backups and retention policies to maintain effective data management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.